fasting the 9th of the Hijjah, which is the Arafah, is expiation for 2 years. Now this year is going to be Al-Jumu'ah. So can you be fasting Jumu'ah on its own without Al-Khamis? Because the Prophet Allah, he said, do not fast Jumu'ah except a day before or a day after. The scholars had differed. And I would say, be on the safe side, fast Al-Khamis with it. Even if it is day of Arafah. Because the Prophet said, don't fast Jumu'ah except the day before or day after. There is another opinion of Sheikh Abu Suhaib. He said, لا تختصوا. Prophet Allah said, do not specify Jumu'ah with fasting. And do not specify the night before Jumu'ah for praying. Except we are not specifying. So we heard the Prophet Allah said, do not specify. But we did not specify. The Jumu'ah happens to be the day of Arafah. But as I said, this is mubih. Makes it allowed. But there is a hadith which is hadar. And the principle says, the hadar muqaddam al mubih. The one prohibits, gets priority above or precedence above the one, it makes it allowed. So do not fast your Jumu'ah except the day before or day after. So we will fast Al-Khamis with it, inshallah. Now.